10 days in the county jail. I'm going to remand you to the custody of the sheriff.
Attorneys for Katie Orndorff presented a number of options to Judge James Fisher in hopes he would choose to vacate and dismiss the charges against their client.
The standard for contempt is that you have to engage in behavior that actually obstructs the court, and you have to intend to do that. He indicated there was no intent, or he didn't find any intent. If there's no intent, then there can't be any contempt.
She was held in contempt while testifying against her boyfriend, who allegedly punched her in the head twice in a moving vehicle. The judge accused her of being high on marijuana, and Thursday says she disrupted the day in court the man accused of abusing her was supposed to have. But her lawyers argue there was no proof she was inebriated.
No one can point to anything that can prove intoxication, and the court has no evidence in front of him that there was enough consumed to affect speech, manner, muscular movement to be apparent from observation, which is the definition of intoxication.
Judge Fisher stated in court today that he saw what he saw and that Orndorff disrupted the case proceedings at least 10 times. And from what he saw, it appeared whatever substance she was on took full effect in the courtroom. Attorneys for the Commonwealth believe this move will deter more victims to come forward.
When you start looking at social media and the conversations within the victim rights communities, it already has.
Advocates like Lisa Sales are disappointed that the judge didn't seem prepared for the day.
Well, I think it's disappointing. We've known this was coming for some time, and the judge didn't prepare. He didn't prepare for trial, and that puts the victim under more undue stress that she shouldn't have to experience.
Meanwhile, the Commonwealth's attorneys are pleading with the community to not let this case stop them from getting out of harm's way.
You know, as much as you can, please have faith in the system. It is imperfect, but that is not a basis to give up on it, because without people making the complaints, we don't know what's going on. Without them willing to come to court and pursue a prosecution, then we can't do the prosecution. Without them coming forward and saying, you know what, I'm putting myself out there and I'm willing to take that risk, nothing ever changes.
In Loudoun County, Megan Rivers, WUSA 9.